સર ઈ મારી જેમ ક્લાસનો રાત જોશે ત્યારે સ્કૂલ ખુલશે.
Okay, yes. Okay, so see that you answer in English, and whatever you speak should be in English. It is now being recorded, so be careful. What you thought, summary,
ઓકે સર.
or what did you learn in the lesson? In short, a few important points about the lesson. It is okay if you don't give the points in order, in any sequence, but I want the points that you remember from the lesson. Can you? Anyone? Anyone? No one.
યસ સર.
Points from the story. Important points.
Point.
Sherlock Holmes was sitting in his room, resting, and his friend Watson
સર
came. Yes.
sir first Peterson give a head goes to the cell
Yes.
goes.
Hmm.
Then the Sherlock Holmes see the head and
Hmm.
gave the goose to the Peterson that you
Your voice is being cut in between.
and your family wife. And when the Peterson think this is just Morca's blue carbuncle. Then they were finding the real thief. First they found the Henry Baker. From that they found the Henry Baker's boss, Mr. Hmm, Mr. Windigate.
Hmm.
બરાબર ને સર?
Hmm.
From that they found a salesman in the garden.
Covent.
James
Covent.
catch the James Rider, and then the Holmes
Okay.
release him from and he will release me.
See, let me tell you, if you can rejoin because your voice is really breaking up today.
Sir, can I read?
I'm not reading, he's telling me the important points from the chapter. And I'm just telling Mohammed that if he can rejoin because the
તરફ
voice
કે
is
આવાજ
really
નહીં આવી.
breaking up. Means,
સર હવે તમારી અવાજ આવી.
yes. You ask others, whose network problem it is, tell me, all others.
હા સર બસ મારું રાખો બસ. કોણ
But
છું?
I am not, I know it is common. I also have many times. But if you can rejoin, then you can listen to me clearly. That is what I'm saying. So that you can listen to me.
ઠીક
Otherwise, I
એમ
don't have any
કરો.
problem. But what I will speak, then you will not be able to listen. Right?
રીજોઈન થઈ ગયો બસ.
Okay. So, right, you already told me the story. Very good. So I will just write it. See, do you have textbooks? All of you?
Yes.
So in the
Yes,
textbook,
sir.
about this, about the author on page 101, that is given about the author. Above that, there is some space. Every year I tell the students to write these things over there because yesterday I already given this, and those who are smart, they already taken screenshot.
Yes, I have.
Yes, so you should write it over there. Precious stone from whom? Precious stone. Oh, sorry. Precious stones from where did we get? From where did he get the precious stone? Goose.
Yes,
Goose
sir.
was of whom? Whom did it belong to?
Henry Baker.
Okay, I will write the full spelling. Henry Baker. Then Henry Baker got it from Mr. Windigate.
Indeed.
Mr. Windigate got it from which salesman? Mohammed is there or not?
He left.
Left. He got it from the salesman Breckenridge at Covent Garden. Breckenridge got it from whom? Which lady?
James Ryder, sister, Mrs. Oakshott.
But yes, correct. Oakshott. And Mrs.
Yes.
Oakshott Mrs. Oakshott was the sister of,
James Ryder.
yes. See, Mrs. Oakshott के पास जेम्स राइडर ने रखा था. So first it was with James Ryder.
So you written name. Names Ryder.
Hmm. I'm seeing that it was gone that side. So see, this is important for the story. Mrs. Oakshott, she was also not knowing that James Ryder had did it. So finally, it was James Ryder who had started
Yes,
this
sir.
whole
Yes, sir.
line, this whole trail,
Train.
trail. True or false we had done. Remember yesterday?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Tell me the answers of the questions, whichever you know, and whatever the answers you know, you can, and all of you can give the answers. Gabrani is there, Muhammad Ali is there, then Khizar, is he there? Khizar is not there.
Yes, sir. He came now only.
Mubin is there. Mubin
Then,
is not.
no, sir, not there.
Mohin is also not there.
He's also not there.
Hmm. Yesterday he asked me about the school reopening, and then today he is not present.
Sir, I think he will come directly in the school.
Hmm. Maybe. Okay. So tell me, who was Peterson?
Peterson was the friend of Sir Arthur Conan Doyle and Sherlock Holmes.
Author Conan Doyle? No.
Watson. Watson
Watson.
and Sherlock Holmes.
Yes, but what was his profession? That also you have to tell me.
Commissioner of the hotel.
Correct. Who gave the answer?
Lakhan Jackie.
Very
Join.
good. Good, no problem.
Sherlock
See,
Holmes, the dog,
right now I am happy
in the
to give
hat.
the answer.
Uh,
So, list any three things Sherlock Holmes deduced about Henry Baker after examining the hat. Remember that whole paragraph
Sir,
after
yes,
looking
sir.
at the hat?
Number one, his wife is not loving him. Number two, he first he was rich and now he is poor. And
Hmm.
number three, sir, I forgot number three.
Hmm. Anyone? Zaki?
Sir, can you give hint?
Hint. Okay. It was, the hat was dusty.
Hmm.
Because he never goes out of the house.
Yes, it shows that it had been hung up indoors most of the time. So he lived a sedentary life, means a lonely or inactive life.
Yes.
Okay. And number three, were the thugs who assaulted Henry Baker involved in stealing the carbuncle? Assaulted means they attacked on him. You remember the thugs had attacked Henry Baker when
Yes,
he
sir.
was going. So were they involved in stealing the carbuncle?
No.
No. The thugs who attacked on Henry Baker when he was going with the goose and the hat on the road, they were knowing nothing about the carbuncle. If they were knowing, then they would not have left the then they would
Geese.
not have left the goose on the
Geese.
road. Yes,
Yes.
but actually, when you read the story, when you don't know the whole story in the beginning, anyone will feel that they knew about
Yes,
the
sir.
carbuncle, so only they attacked on him. But actually, they were not involved. They knew nothing. Only James Ryder and Catherine Cusack were knowing about it. This is like a movie.
Yes, sir.
Then, fourth, which sentence in the story tells us that Henry Baker was not a bachelor? Means what?
Sir, bachelor means?
That is what I am asking you. It has come in grammar.
Oh.
Think for 1 minute.
Sir, bachelor is male.
Okay, correct. That has come in the gender.
Sir, ain't.
If I give hint here, it will be answer.
Okay.
But bachelor has two meanings.
Sir,
First,
sir, you can give the after and before movement.
mm, okay, but here it is very easy. So I'm telling you that
Okay, sir.
bachelor has two different meanings actually. If you say, remember BA, so Bachelor of Arts,
Yes, sir.
BCA, the Bachelor of Computer Application. So a person who holds first degree from university or any academic institution, that can be bachelor's, Bachelor of Arts, Bachelors of Commerce, anything, Bachelors of Science, BSc. But one more meaning is a man who is not or who has never been married. He is a bachelor. Got it? Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Got it.
But what if a woman is unmarried? Unmarried woman, is she called a bachelor? What is she called? Unmarried woman. The boy who is unmarried is called bachelor. But what about the girl?
Yes, sir.
Are you are you all listening to me?
Yes, sir. Sir, can
So
you repeat the
bachelor
question?
is the boy or the man who is unmarried. But what about the girl? We have learnt in grammar. Did you all forget it? Spinster. Tell me the spelling.
Hmm.
What? What are you saying? Hello. Someone
Yes,
said this.
sir.
I think my voice is not audible.
Sir, the incident in the story. Sir, you are asking that question?
I am asking the female for bachelor. Bachelor means unmarried boy or unmarried man.
Yes, sir.
Unmarried girl is called spinster. Spinster.
Yes.
Okay. So, which sentence in the story tells us that Henry Baker was not a bachelor? Not a bachelor means he was married. Which sentence tells us?
Sir, when the Sherlock Holmes see the hat.
Yes. Then, which was the sentence?
That his wife is not loving him.
His wife does not love him. Yes, that
Yes.
sentence was there in the story, and it was written over there. This head with a week's accumulation of dust upon it shows that his wife has ceased to love him and does not bother him going out in such a state. His wife does not care in whatever way he goes out, wearing whatever clothes. So, that is the sentence that shows that he had a wife. Next, which incident in the story is the turning point that helped Sherlock Holmes to solve the case faster? What is the turning point? What do you think? How
Sir,
was he?
sir, I think the turning point is that when the Sherlock Holmes go to the garden for that the salesman, he found the James Ryder, the James Ryder,
Yes, when they were going from Covent Garden to Brixton Road to meet Mrs. Oakshott.
Oxford.
Before that,
James
there was a
James
there was a
Ryder come,
yes, that little man had come. There was a hubbub.
and from there
Remember?
the turning point came.
Yes, that helped the case
Sherlock
solve
Holmes
faster.
to solve the case faster.
Yes, correct. Okay. Read this and give me the answer. Did you think of at all of this poor honor who was arrested for a crime of which he knew nothing? Who did Sherlock Holmes say these words to?
James
Whom is
Ryder.
he? Yes. Will you write one more answer?
Sir. Sherlock Holmes said this was to James Ryder.
Why did Holmes refer to the arrested man as this poor honor? Why did he use that word, the poor honor?
Holmes
Was he
referred to the
poor?
arrested man as this poor owner because he, Sherlock Holmes told to James Ryder that he had his family. He had not think
Yes.
of his family then,
Yes. Not thought.
not
Correct.
thought.
How did Holmes learn that Honor was arrested? How did he come to know that John
He
Honor was arrested?
he come to know because of Watson. Watson tell him.
No, I think you are mistaken. Think about it. There was a big burglary.
James Ryder.
No, James Ryder he met afterwards. Think. See, 22nd December, Hotel Cosmopolitan. There was a crime which was committed over there, and it had come in the newspaper. Remember?
Yes, sir.
So he read from the newspaper.
Okay.
And what was the response of the listener to this question? This question which is asked, did you think at all? So James Ryder, how did he react to this question?
He react like he had done a very big crime.
Was he guilty?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So after committing a crime, if you are guilty, then
The
it is
meaning
okay.
of guilty?
Feeling sorry means
Okay.
paschatap. Paschatap.
Okay.
See, uh, crime that is गुनाह. गुनाह के बाद हम क्या करते हैं? पश्चाताप. What do you say in your
Mafi.
language? Maafi. Or is there any other
Sorry.
typical word? Yes. So if someone is proven guilty, अगर कोई guilty prove हो जाता है, means he is liable to get the punishment. But Sherlock Holmes had let him go because it was the season of
Christmas.
forgiveness. That is Christmas.
Forgiveness.
Who else is present over here except for Muhammad? Because Muhammad has been giving answers. I know.
Sir, I don't remember
Name
maybe.
Nurani.
Sir, I was also giving.
Okay. Yes, Nurani. First, you will read this. Nurani.
Sir, can I read?
Sir, Nurani said nahi.
Sir, can I read?
Yes. Who is asking? Gabrani.
हाँ सर
Yes.
घबराने.
Yes, Gabrani. Read.
Meanings. Tribal, commonplace. Thugs, robs, violent people. Took to his heels. Ran away. Battered, all and slightly damaged. But deuse. Arrive at by reasoning. Infer. Conclude from evidence. Sedentary, inactive. Carbuncle, a bright jewel. Extracted, remove the blue carbuncle without permission. Pestered, annoyed. Bad, back with strips or bands. Felony, a serious.
Yes. I want someone else to read again. Zaki, read it. Kizar,
Okay, sir.
Kizar.
I read sir किधर left.
Is reading. I think. Who is reading? Zaki.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Tribal, commonplace. Thugs, rough, violent people. Took to his heels, ran away. Battered,
Sir one
old
question.
and slightly damaged. Deduce, arrive at by reasoning. Infer, conclude from evidence. Sedentary, inactive. Carbuncle, a bright jewel. Abstracted, removed the carbuncle without permission. Pestered, annoyed. Buried, marked with stripes or bands. Felony, a serious crime.
Yes. Tell me, Mohammed.
Sir, why did the thugs attack the Henry Baker?
Where did?
Why did the thugs attack the Henry Baker?
Yes.
For
That
what
answer
reason?
is. Okay. Good. So you understood the lesson. And good question you asked. But that question has nothing to do with our lesson as it is not mentioned in the lesson anywhere. Why did they attack? Because when Henry Baker had come to meet Sherlock Holmes after seeing that advertisement, he was least bothered. He thought that the thugs might have attacked him in want of money or something. But there was no specific reason which is mentioned. Maybe the thugs
We
might have
can guess
attacked.
only.
Yes, that is only the possible thing. That has not been
Okay, sir.
mentioned in the lesson. Maybe for stealing the goose, because they did not know that goose was so much valuable. So maybe not even for the goose, right?
Yes, sir.
The reason is unknown, but it is for sure that they were not involved in the carbuncles stealing,
Yes.
just for stealing the money or something.
Yes, sir.
And that has been given in the story just to make us confused, just to make the readers confused. So the readers will think that they were involved in the stealing of the carbuncle. They
It
have
will
made it
make
more
the
interesting.
this story will make more interest.
Yes, because till the end we will think that thugs were the people who had stolen the carbuncle and so they had attacked Henry
Yes,
Baker.
sir.
But after we read the story, we come to know that it is something else. So, the twist in the story, just for adding that
Yes, sir.
twist. Okay, give one more. Omar, you can read.
Okay, sir. Given word. Number one. A person whose job is to stand at the entrance to a hotel or other public building and welcome people. Commissioner. Become a little red in the face because it was embraced. Went a little red. A small unit of money that was used in the United Kingdom until 1971. Feeling. The noise of a lot of people taking at the same time, especially when they are angry or excited. Hubbub.
Hubbub. So when you all talk in the class, you are excited, you are talking, it is hubbub.
Yes, sir.
Yes, there are still more.
Number five. Found an idea of the sequence of events been from the loss of the jewel until that moment. Considered an action or event that has an important and usual bad effect on what happens in the future. Faithful. Number seven. Changing a punishment to one less that is less severe. Committing.
Severe. Severe.
Severe. Committing.
And how do you read this word?
Commissioner.
Hmm. Commissioner. And I have seen students making mistake in this kind of spellings because it is a long spelling.
Yes.
So don't make mistake. Learn the
Okay, sir.
spellings. Or should I give the hard words before we start, just like you had been writing till fifth or sixth?
As you wish, sir.
I think I should make you underline and write it because hard words are the most important thing in the lesson. We are not writing it,
Yes,
but
sir. We were
if you know
writing
hard
in our
words,
fair
then
book
you can
in
write.
third, fourth.
Yes, if you write the hard words correctly, then all the things you can write correctly. Meanings, given word, FBC, question answer, everything. That hard words will definitely help you a lot. See, like these words are there, hubbub. So some of you will write HUB. It will be wrong because pronunciation is like hubbub. So why double B is needed?
Yes, sir.
Some people, those who have not learned it properly, they
Like
will definitely
American.
make mistakes. Yes. And see, conceived. So in there also CEIV, there people make mistake. CIEVE, some people write.
Yes, sir. Sometimes I also mistake.
That is common mistake. That is
Yes, sir.
like the spellings are there. Receive, conceive. With TF also.
True or false? Number one. The I in the story refers to Sherlock Holmes. False. So we have to say the true sentence or
No, no.
okay, sir. Number two. Henry Baker was a rich man once. True. Number three. Catherine Cossack and James Traders stole the Blue Carbuncle from the Countess Jewel case. True. James Traders' sister helped him steal the carbuncle. False. The plumber John Horner was innocent. True. Sherlock Holmes get James Trader arrested. False.
Okay. And who else is present? Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali.
मुझे इसने जवाब तो दिया.
Okay. Rajani. Generally.
Yes, sir.
State this.
Filling the blanks. As
Peterson.
Peterson,
Peterson.
Peterson reached the corner of
God.
Goddard
Gauge
Street.
Street.
God Street. A row broke out between him and a
Group.
group of thugs. Sir, બે વાર વાંચવાનું.
No, no. One time.
Number two. The owner could be any one of the hundreds of
Henry.
Henry Bakers
Bakers.
who lived in London.
Lived.
Number three. At the
Precise.
precise moment, Peterson rushed into the room, dazzled with astonishment. Number four. John
Sir,
Horner, a
Yes.
plumber, was
sir, answer number 3 astonishment नहीं થાય.
No, no. Astonishment. Correct.
Okay. पांचवा दिन रेड.
the John Horner, a plumber, was accused of having
Accused. Accused.
accused
Accused. Accused.
accused of having abstracted it from the lady's jewels case. Number 5. Holmes sent Peterson
Holmes.
Holmes sent Peterson to give the advertis- advertisement in all the newspaper.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Yes, okay. So yeah, he read it. I'll read it again so that as Peterson reached the corner of the God Street, a row broke out between him and a group of thugs. So see that you write it capital. It is a proper noun. The owner
Okay,
could
sir.
be any one of the hundreds of Henry Bakers who lived in London. There were so many bakers whose name was Henry. So here also capital Henry Bakers. Here we are talking about so many Henry Bakers. So S is added. Otherwise S could not be added. But here we have to add. At the precise moment, Peterson rushed into the room, dazed with astonishment, means with surprise, shocked. John Honor, a plumber, was accused of having dash from the lady's jewel case. Abstracted means he took it out without permission. That is abstracted, removed without permission. That was the charge on him, but actually he was not the right man. Holmes sent Peterson to give the advertisement in all the newspapers. Remember, he had sent Peterson give the ad
Yes,
in
sir.
all the newspapers, but he did not give money. Newspaper man will ask the money for the
Yes,
money,
sir.
then money from his pocket. No, no, Mohammed will give.
કેટલા દેવાના છે બોલા?
I think 2.5 or 3,000.
એટલા તો હોય જ નહીં કોઈ દિવસ.
Yes. In Saurashtra Samachar, if you give,
મારે ક્યાં સૌરાષ્ટ્રમાં દેવું છે?
then Times of India.
એમ તો ફિલ્મ જ દેવાનું સર આપણે.
Read this here.
કોણ સર હું?
Yes.
Yes, sir. No problem. Complete the following. Number 1. He saw a tall man walking ahead of him with a slight stranger carrying a white goose slung over his shoulder. Number 2. The thugs too had fled at the appearance of Peterson. Number 3. The hat was collected brown dust on it, which shows that it had been hung up indoors most of the time. Number 4. Peterson held out his hand and displayed upon the center of the palm a brilliantly scintillating blue stone, rather smaller than a bean in size. Number 5. The carbuncle was reported to have been lost just 5 days ago on 22nd December from Hotel Cosmopolitan. Number 6. It was a little after 6:30 when a tall man appeared in the doorway. Number 7. Sherlock Holmes then made him disclose his identity as James Ryder, head attendant at the Hotel Cosmopolitan. When Holmes showed him the blue carbuncle, which shone out like a star, Ryder looked uncertain whether to claim or disown it.
Okay. Check all and tell me if you have any doubt in understanding anyone.
તો બધું સમજાઈ ગયું.
Then you have to be very careful with all the spellings. See, Peterson here when you are writing capital,
Yes,
and
sir.
here when you have to write, you don't write hang, you have to write the third form, hung up. And indoors, like people forget writing S indoors. Mm, then 22 December also D capital Hotel Cosmopolitan. Many students write wrong spellings. I have seen these common mistakes, so I am warning you, don't make this mistake. Write H and C capital. Learn the spelling of Cosmopolitan because hotel is common word. Cosmopolitan is not, right? Then Head attendant. So head, you have to write H capital. Again, Hotel Cosmopolitan. Okay. Then see, this is also the new word, I think. Disown. What is the meaning of this answer? Can you explain the meaning?
Yes, sir. Carbuncle with whether to claim or disown it. Claiming take or say no, I don't want.
Okay. When you claim, you say that it is mine. Give it. And when you disown, own opposite of own is disown. Means
Yes,
you
sir.
say that it does not belong to me. It is not mine. That's it. So that's it. Suppose for example, I'm just giving example. There is something like an electronic gadget which is caught from the class. The teacher comes and asks, whose is this? You don't know whether to claim it or to disown it. If you claim it, then you will get punishment. If you disown it, then you will lose that thing, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we shall continue further in the next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day, all of you.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.